Hello viewers, today, I will show you 2 Google Chrome extensions for improved accessibility and readability in any website. With this extension, you can customize color schemes for all websites, night mode, dark themes, blue light filter, screen shader, high contrast, grayscale, etc. The tricks: first go to Google Chrome browser web store. Here search for Mercury Reader. Then add it to the Chrome browser. After finishing the installation, go to a website. I always prefer to go to Wikipedia. Then click here. Start using a Mercury Reader. And this site looks to change into this type. And there you can change look the site with many options. Now try No 2 extensions. This extension is amazing to me. Go to the Chrome Web Store. And search here Midnight Lizard. Add it in Google Chrome browser. Click here and pin the extension. And go to a website. Then click here. Here you found many functions. Select anyone and apply. In addition to dark and night mode color schemes, Midnight Lizard has a wide range of light and colorful predefined color schemes, and you can create your own. Protect your eyes by applying a blue light filter at evening time to emulate natural sunlight patterns. Thanks for watching.